все?
Не фигурное катание.
Не фигурное катание?
Да.
Или фигурное катание?
Нет.
Нет? А как появился хоккей?
Сначала люди катались на льду, а потом сделали лед. И потом люди на него катались.
Cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. One sheep, two sheep, going cuckoo and kooky is cool key. But I'm actually weirder than you think. Cause I'm
did a rodeo 7 and I was like, oh, I want to hit that again, and then go up and try a right 7, and immediately I just start tomahawking. Tommy Bahama as fast as I possibly could. I've never tomahawked so fast in my life. I had immediately all the blood rushing to my head. One of my poles stayed on my wrist and hit me in the back of the head. You know, as I stopped, one of my skis came down, hit me in the ass.